back in your destination.
Meaning assessment is absent.
Please allow me to carry your luggage.
Sir,
Please allow me to the front of
Where
your
may inistaling sa GC?
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Ryan. Do you have any reservation here? Okay, sir. Can you fill up this form?
Balik sa bottom na
Sir. By the way, sir, what type of room do you prefer? Suite room 5,500 per night, deluxe room 2,300 per night, or standard room 2,500 per night. What will you prefer?
standard room.
Can I have your valid ID, sir? Sir? This is your e-card, sir. Your room number is room 170, located at the third floor. This is your personal butler, Miss Emily Flores, and she will assess you to your room. Thank you and have a good day.
Okay, sir. The room number is 170, located at the third floor, and the type of the room is standard room. Please follow me. This way, sir.
Hey sir, we are here at the front of your room. Please let me check first. Room check. Room check. Room check. Okay sir, welcome to your room. Please come in. Have a seat sir. Okay sir, I will put your luggage at the luggage area.
Sure, why not?
Allow me to unpack your luggage, sir. You prefer, sir, to fix your clothes? Okay, sir. Sir, can I put your luggage beside your clothes?
Is there anything that I could help you, sir?
No.
By the way, here's my card, sir. If you want something, just dial the number, and I'll be there to assist you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.